Now y'all know how we do. I did look inside this box and we're gonna take another trip into the future with these right here. Later on in 2025 is when these should be dropping.
392 switch it out with a cat. I got it me right here on my lap. Bought a new spider to take out the plastic. I stop on that 40 and hit the gas. Rick going pants, they late to relax.
Yeah, I'm headed to Vegas.
Crack it out, bloody dust see on my hat. Alligator show on the pedal when I press it. Alligator show on the pedal when I press it.
Thank you.
We sleep out of it, that is a fact. None of these girls got strings attached.
Welcome to Vegas.
All right, man, thank you.
All right, so what is good, everybody? Listen, it's your boy B Bullet RC back with yet another. Make sure you drop a like on this bit, sub up if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well. We always gotta please the algorithm gods. Now today, I got a banger for y'all. Listen, y'all see the boxes, right? Early heats on deck, a whole bunch of pickups. We catching up today. Now as y'all saw, yes, I was in Vegas for a SHOT Show with Tony and a few extra special guests as well. Now day one, I hopped straight off the plane, got in the Uber, and we had to go to the Beretta range day.
Money so low, I had to stretch it. Find my way, had to catch it. Shit blowing up, I'm this lady. Started this, I'ma need my credit. Don't know why these niggas test me.
Why'd you have to blow it for?
Huh?
Why'd you have to blow it?
Cause you have to see the smoke. Look. And it was actually my first time ever trying trap shooting. All right, just say pull.
Yeah.
Yep, you say pull, I'll launch one.
All right, listen, don't judge me. It's my first time trying. All right, I'm indoor range guy, so this is new. All right, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Okay, I understand it now.
Pull.
There you
Yeah,
go.
there you go.
Clean.
Do that again.
All right, pull.
There you go. There you go, Bull. Oh, that boy Bull ready now.
Pull again.
Bull did better than me.
That was clean. You know what I mean? And I hit my farthest target ever. I'm proud of this. Listen, in between an 875 and a 900-yard shot.
You hit it right in the head.
Oh, man, there you go. I saved the world, bro. All right, y'all, so listen, good morning. It is day 2 of the trip. Today should be range day, and then I guess whatever else we get into, all right? Listen, I might have to do a quick fit check later. Y'all kind of see what's going on. All the camera gear in here, and the shoot today is, I just been wearing these, bro. For range days, obviously, I just need leather, bro. I need something that I can dust off real easy, and it is the Chicago's. Y'all see me wear these a lot. So, yes, day 2 is the morning time. It's like 7:30. Everybody's starting to come downstairs now. And that is what it is. Who is this guy?
When's the next video dropping, bro?
Huh? When's the next video?
Yeah.
I guess whenever you see this video, the next video drops. So
The date is January 20th, by the way. So if
today's
this
the
shit drops,
20th.
so
You know what I
this
mean?
shit drops on fucking February 30th
you know what I mean?
or something.
Who's this guy?
It's been a while since I've
Yeah,
been
I
on
know.
this channel.
It's been a
Hey,
while, huh?
hey guys, here. Just want to tap
shit, I don't
in.
even All right, so listen, we'll be back, all right?
40 on me with a green bean. OD, we is a dream team. Hit a nigga with a street sweet. Gotta get cash way quicker. Get from the bed and I hit it again. She say I'm getting her thicker. Gotta put it right under my zipper. I'm stepping out, then I walk around, my finger right up on the trigger.
All right, y'all, listen, we back. Listen, day 3, quick check-in. I know we doing the same thing we did last time, but the Dave's house hit, bro. We did the number 2 again, hot, lamb, y'all see it. No pickles on the sandwich, no cheese, extra Dave sauce on the side. Bland. All right, now. No cheese, bro.
Did you fake set the camera up?
section.
Yeah, fake
Cheese or no cheese?
There's no camera over here anyway. What are you talking about?
Oh, fake camera setup.
There's nothing. How would the camera
guy is holding
How would
it.
the camera sit here? You know what I mean? Day 3, SHOT Show. Be back. Don't eat my food.
Where you get
Okay?
it from?
Guys, by the way, if you're
Let
watching
me eat my
this,
what?
if you're watching this, by the way, it's January 21st.
Okay.
So when Bull drops this in March 7th, you know it's been fucking 2 months since he's supposed to be on video.
Calling it stars up in the ceiling. My niggas some bloods, my niggas some crips, my niggas drug dealing. I had no money, I slept on the floor with the rats, you don't know the feeling. They playing my shit in Africa, I ran all the way to New Zealand.
And as you saw, yes, day 3 was SHOT Show, and we got a lot of footage from out there. Salutes to everybody we ran into. Salutes to the people that we ran into again. And actually, one of these boxes is from someone we ran into again, but you'll see. Now, of course, being in Vegas, we just kind of enjoyed the vibe, enjoyed the show, enjoyed being on a work vacation, a workcation, I guess you could call it. And yes, salutes to Tony. That was shot on the 20th, so we about right under a month. So, you know, it ain't that bad. Of course, we had to at least hit one sneaker spot.
I'ma get my blue cheese and I be dressing. I gotta teach these bitches a lesson. She fell in love.
Alright, y'all, so we checking back in once again. We actually back out at the strip underneath what I believe is the Venetian, okay? Or nah, we had them to win. We at the shops right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't know how much I can actually record in here. I mean, I got the Babe store right there. We passed by some of the, you know, higher end designer, Bottega and stuff like that. Balmain's downstairs. But I think we're gonna stop into Babe, and they'll probably be like, no, you can't record. So there you go. You can at least see it existed.
She's a million racks. I made it out, I ain't going back. Killing these niggas and all black. Look at these bitches trying to bribe. Bad, it's two. It's not even nobody bad, it's you. Come on, baby, you know that I'm back at you. I had to get a Louis on bag or two.
And yo, salutes to bringing back LV. That's actually where we went to. They had some early Utos, some early SBs, and just overall good vibes in the shop. So salutes to those guys over there. If y'all ever in LV, yo, check them out.
I said, baby, I'm better off lying to you. I said, baby, I'm better off lying to you. You will never be able to find a room. Everything on me design the truth. Everything on me design the top suit. All of my diamonds, they pink or they blue. All of my diamonds, they yellow or white. I put that lane in the fan of no spray.
And that brings us back to the stew. Listen, y'all see the boxes, okay? Blam, 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 blam. We got a lot to get into. First things first, real quick reminder, we are giving away a pair of metallic Air Jordan 5s from Sample Industries, okay? Listen, go cop anything off the site that gives you an entry. If you cop any of the new hoodies or the new jerseys like this joint I'm wearing right now, the No Limit joint, those new items count for double entries. I'm just letting y'all know once again, reminding y'all because it will be ending very soon. So if you want a chance to get these joints right here for free and get some 5 pieces as well, blam, there you go. And salutes to everybody that's already copped. Y'all almost sold the black hoodie out already. Very limited sizes on that, and we've been shipping out y'all's packs. So when y'all get y'all stuff in, make sure y'all tag us so we can repost on the IG, bro. First up, we're gonna start with a bag. Salutes to Skate Supply. I did end up getting these. Unfortunately, I was not able to hit for my size. It's always Cairo size. It's always Cyrus size with these joints. But as soon as y'all see the paper on the inside of this box, y'all gonna know what these are. I did record a little bit when I ran out there, and I was able to get a little 1Y in the Wizard of Oz SBs. I will get my actual size eventually. And the funny thing is, I be getting these nice shoes where Cairo, he won't be carrying, and eventually I usually have to let him go. If he's not really feeling the shoe, bro, I let him go and I'm gonna take him straight to the outlet. Now that same day that I hit on those Wizard of Oz SBs, I also got these right here. I did have an extra pair, but I went ahead and let those go already. These are, of course, a part of the Nike Yard Runners, also HBCU, and this is the Virginia Union Air Force One. I got my size 12. Yo, these joints go absolutely crazy. It's been a lot of Nova love, DMV love lately on the channel, but salutes to y'all. But yeah, the pony hair all over the upper on these goes crazy, and that nice silver on the swoosh, that just gives it that pop, all right? With love, Dex Rob on the back of those, and again, the Virginia Union Forces. Obviously, I'm going to be biased when it's a Virginia-based shoe, so blam, there you go. These Forces, they deserve it though. Next box y'all see right here. Now these are outside the box because I need to use the box to ship some other shoes, of course. Bulls Bodega has been updated. Salute to everybody been copping stuff off of Bulls Bodega as well. That's where I sell my extra shoes and stuff, because y'all be seeing me unbox 10, 15, and 20 shoes. And at the end of the day, bruh, I can only wear so many. So some I do let go, but these are sticking around in the collection. And like I was saying, I did cop these off of Whatnot, but y'all have seen these a billion times already. The Velvet Brown Trav ones. I try to get any and every Trav that I can, especially if it's at retail. Unfortunately, this one wasn't. But again, you seen these, I'm just letting you know, yes, another Trav has been added to the stacks. And that's not the only Trav shoe we got today. Up next, we got a big box coming straight from Nike. Perfection cut, yes. Now the last time I missed out on a DB shoe, I regretted it because the price on that shoe went crazy. And y'all can see on the inside of the box, yes, the Dornbecker Freestyle Nike box. Now the specific Dornbecker release that haunted me to this day was the Vomeros. Those old DB Vomeros dropped, they kind of were regular price, and then they just shot up into the sky. And I said, you know what, this time I'm gonna just try it for them. If I hit, I hit, and if I don't, I don't. And these do actually come in the same box as a Tech and Phone, so I should be able to, hold on, reveal them just like that. They also came with some extra laces inside the box, blam. And then of course, once we grab the shoes out the box, the 180s. Now y'all know I am a fan of the 180. I got a few pairs in the stacks. Unfortunately, I did miss the OGs. Maybe I'll add those back to the stacks, but this pair right here, I believe is Jakai. Yo, Jakai, you did your thing on these. These are insane. And again, I remember what happened during the Vomeros, the Vomero flashbacks, and I was like, I'm just gonna try to hit for retail. And yes, I was blessed, slight bars off of Nike sneakers with these right here. Now they did come with this card on the inside as well, but you can pause and read that if you want to. And they came with these extra like Velcro also hang tags right here. But hold on, we gotta zoom in. I just need y'all to zoom in and really see what's going on. The bubble swoosh, the bubbles on the inside of that, the 8-bit lightning on the upper, the reflective on the laces. I mean, all in all, just a very, very cool shoe. And then they also have that Jakai Air, Nike Air hang tag on them as well. I mean, y'all see the shoe. What else really needs to be said? Next box we got is a banger, and I had to cheat, bro. Yes, I already opened these up. I already looked at them because this was one of my most wanted shoes that dropped last year. I entered in on the EQL raffle and was able to hit these joints for retail. Beautiful. Now, I do hope that they fit because I know Sunner is supposed to fit a little bit snug. I'm probably just gonna have to make this 12 work, even though the 12.5 would be perfect. The chain link paper on the inside, I mean, y'all see the card, right? Now, I hit on one pair for retail. The other one, I'm probably gonna have to pay to play. But yo, I mean, just look. Look at these joints right here. Got the K Air on the back, the orange hits. Like I said, there are two different colorways, kind of a dawn and a dusk, and this was the one I was able to hit, and I probably will end up getting the other one for sure. There's just so many small details that, of course, in this quick unboxing video, I'm just not gonna really be able to get into. Even down to the details under the laces on these joints. There's just a lot going on. I mean, the card that comes in the inside, the bottom saying kids of immigrants on these. I mean, these just kind of tick all the boxes in my opinion. Salute to them, yo. They killed these, and I'm definitely gonna get that other colorway eventually. Up next, another box. Now these I actually picked up straight off of Hidden when they originally dropped. It was actually a new ASICS model, so I was like, yo, let me actually try these joints out real quick. These right here, of course, the Hidden Gel Venture 6 Shield. Of course, my lights are going crazy on this box right now, but y'all see some of the extra details on the box. And if we flip these joints open right here, I mean, the inside of the box goes crazy too. But we have these right here. Again, not gonna spend a lot of time on them. Went for them, and definitely one of the easiest cops on any Hidden ASICS, and I'm not mad. Just a quick close-up, going with that shield name, more of a, I guess you'd call it like an ACG, more of a weatherproof version of an ASICS runner. All right, y'all, now let's get to this next box. And as y'all can see, yes, we got a little dot swoosh action happening. Now, I originally ordered these back in October, and it was a limited pre-order, whatever that means. Basically, it's a pre-order, but at some point, yeah, they're gonna be sold out. And I went ahead and jumped on these ASAP because I didn't know what the numbers were gonna look like. But y'all do see that dot swoosh logo on the top of these on the side. Again, dot swoosh, changing it up for this box. Size 12, my size, of course. And I wanted to try something different out, so I went ahead and grabbed these. I have been a fan of the dot swoosh releases. I got the 404 Air pair of Forces as well last year when they dropped, and I did go ahead and get these, which is the low poly Air Max 1. And of course, the idea behind these being the low poly or the low polygon version of an Air Max 1. So you do have some way rougher cuts on these. Not enough polygons to make it smooth like in a video game, you know what I mean? Y'all see the Nike Air Max on these. So this was a special dot swoosh release. You even see press start right there on the inside of these. So kind of like a gaming slash dot swoosh vibe with these right here. And I'll be looking forward to whatever they decide to drop next. On to the next one. I told y'all earlier we had another, listen, Cactus Jack pickup. Now, I was kind of iffy on these, and I really haven't seen them too much in person, but these might be a good toss on shoe with a good pair of camo pants like my Mossy Oaks. But y'all see Nike Cactus Jack all over this box, and these are of course in a size 12. I'm assuming that these are going to fit true to size. We even got the Nike and Cactus Jack embossed paper on the inside of these, and these are the Field Jacks. And I did win the raffle on TravisScott.com to get these right here. Now, since these have already dropped, I probably won't get a full review out for these, but if I do wear them, I do need to bring back the weekly secret rotations, so that might be where you actually see me try these joints out. I do like the shark teeth detail on the side. If I had to rate these out of 10 as being like a new shoe, maybe a 6.5, 7 out of 10 for this one, Trav. You still my guy, but I gotta keep it a buck. That's not bad, all right? You got a 7. Now for this next box right here, I just want to say salutes to Jay. I mean, as soon as y'all see the shoe, if you guys are into the firearm side of YouTube, you'll probably know who Jay is and immediately know what this is. But from 511, they did send me over the stash sneaker, which is kind of like a tactical shoe. Again, not usually our vibe out here, but I do appreciate them sending these over. And I guess I might as well say it, yo, James, salutes, bro. I appreciate him. And he held down his promise. He was like, yo, I got a shoe coming out. You guys into it? I'm gonna send it, blah, 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 blase, blase. And of course, now we get here, ran into him again at SHOT Show, and he sent me over, or got me one of these sent over, this stash sneaker. Again, not the usual vibe over here, but you know what I mean? He showed love, so Blam, I wanna show some love back. Now, y'all know how we do. I did look inside this box, and we're gonna take another trip into the future with these right here. Later on in 2025 is when these should be dropping. And yes, this was another box that I did cheat on. I did open because I wanted to see the shoes in hand. Nothing else in the box, so we can toss that, and we do have our box. And yes, UPS guy did go ahead and kick these over to the doorstep a little bit. Luckily, the shoes inside though did not get hurt, but y'all see the Jordan face box. Did have to grab these in an 11.5 because that was all that was left at the time. I've honestly had this shoe for about a month and a half, maybe probably 2 months. I've had these for a while. As you know, these were supposed to drop, I believe, this month in February, but they got pushed way back into 2025. It should be August now. Some pairs did shot drop for All-Star Weekend. All-Star Weekend shot drops was crazy. And I'm letting y'all know right now that these might be a Whatnot giveaway. I'm not exactly sure yet. I know y'all be seeing me go live on the Whatnot. Make sure y'all always use that link and get $15 off your first cop. If y'all see me live come through, y'all see what we be doing. But yes, we have the Rare Air Jordan 4 with the already flipped Jordan tag on there. Let me just go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and flip that over. But yes, Jordan Rare Air, and let me put this right back on the front. Blam, there we go. And I mean, y'all can kind of see the quality. I'm kind of surprised. Like this, I'm assuming this is nubuck on the upper. The nubuck is actually super nice on these joints. Really feeling like a combination of a few different pairs of 4s, and they do come with the blue Nike Air hang tag on these joints as well. Just grab the other shoe out, and they do come with those dark blue laces as well. It's not a navy blue, it's just like a dark blue right here. Now, I will definitely be dropping the review on this shoe for sure. The main thing is, I just don't know when these are actually gonna drop. Are they gonna drop in August? Are they gonna drop a little bit earlier? I guess we're gonna wait and see. I would not be surprised to see these actually get pushed up because they are ready to go. There's definitely pairs out there already, and yo, in hand, it wasn't even a colorway that jumped out. It was just the overall quality of these. The camera is doing it a little bit of justice, but I don't think it's doing it enough justice. Yeah, let's just go ahead and zoom in on these real quick, and y'all can just see the nubuck. These, I ain't gonna lie, kind of surprising me in person. These joints is nice. Now, I did see All-Star Weekend, like I said before, and there are definitely a couple different shoes that I need to go ahead and get in the stew. I mean, the Great 5s. I mean, do we even need to talk about Cement 4s? It's a lot been going on flu games. It was a lot of stuff dropping for All-Star Weekend. So I might have to see what I can do and what shoes I can get in early so I can give y'all that early heat look. But Blam, yes, the Rare Air 4s are in the building. And like I said before, if y'all haven't already, use that link, get in on the Whatnot, and these might be the next $1 shoe or the next giveaway. We just gonna have to wait and see. Yo, listen, that's all I got for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Once again, make sure you drop a like on this vid, sub if you haven't already, and finesse the bell as well. I'm gonna see you on the next one, okay? Much love, all right? Peace.
I'm stepping out there, I walk around, my finger right up on the trigger.